Hi everyone, and we are back right here at Jordan's Lounge, Money Train TV, and Miss Theresa, better known as Sparkle to some. It's our second time. I'm so excited. The first show was so hot. We had over thousands of hits on YouTube and Comcast cable. Calls are coming in, Cablevision, everywhere, all over. I'm just so excited. Thank you for joining me again back on television. Shakim and myself, we do appreciate you. So guess what? Tonight, the show is going to be hotter than ever. Stars and stars and more stars. Take care, sit back, relax, and enjoy. See ya. Hi, you're watching Money Train TV Live and Miss Theresa, and I'm standing next to
Queen T, Crystal Lyric,
and Jay Suko.
Okay, Jay Suko. I want to know, how long has the group been together? What type of music do you indulge in, and exactly what's your group about?
Well, we've been together for some time. We all grew up together, you know, and our music is, our family is very talented. We just stuck together for a long time, and we rap and sing, you know, a little bit of everything. Violin too, got a little music involved. We're very good.
Wow, I'm so excited. How is it working with the other two? How is it?
It's pretty good. The connection is there. Like, that's my sister and that's my uncle, so it's already there. Yeah, family affair, you might as well say.
And who's the oldest out of the three?
We are, but I'm a month older.
He's only a month older than me, but he's the oldest.
And what town are you representing today?
Jersey City.
Jersey City's on the map. So for Money Train TV, check them out later. See ya.
Just sing. That's right. Let's get it, Dave. Come on. Shit. Right out. And I tell them, sorry, made you wait so long. Through the climb and the pain and the rain, and you make this song. But I still in the game, made you day so long. I'm not for me to say, but just play. Come on. But the truth is that I'm used to either dead or just lose some of the hustlers. So I'm screaming out, girl, I was like, they don't need to discuss it. Every time I turn around, you reminding me like Usher. And my hustle makes up, I have some friends. It's not the bands, you touching me. Either way, you would do what I got. I'm a foster. And you the way a single nigga true. You know, in the way, I feel like a stray. So I just bring this game. I perform, get the play. All you have is keep your day job up. Feel free to hate on me, cause I just keep my day job up. You know, you keep funny. No problem, you know. I know that we trippin'. Here's that we doesn't really know. I'll take you like that. No worries, no, you don't have to worry, no. The lights are on, we don't feel no shine. She got this here. She got it. Jersey City, where you at, huh? Everybody, where you at, huh? Listen, we a big problem that you can't solve. I'm never there, like a father, you ain't never there. Money, I do share, enough treasure for my pleasure. It's whatever. So don't know I got that, I rock that. Haters know you can't stop that. Color green, wonderful, half court, nigga, I block that. Too fast for y'all, bad, I let that. In time, my mind goes fluidly. With rhymes, I just get the truth, but the truth is me. And the proof is me. And the proof is what you hear, so bitch, beware. Yeah. Get the fuck out of here.
Hi, and welcome back to Money Train TV Live, and you're here with Miss Theresa. And who am I sitting next to?
Felicia, the naughty girl of comedy.
All right, Felicia, naughty girl of comedy. When did you start? Where are you from? Tell our audience a little bit about yourself.
Okay, well, I'm from Jersey City, New Jersey. I'm from the Hill area, y'all know. And I've been doing comedy for about 5 years now. I started here actually at Jordan's. So it's been phenomenal since then. And I'm here to show my love to Money Train TV and let them know that they representing Jordan's. I'm representing them just as well. So, and great to be here with you. Look at this diva. Damn diva. Shit.
More to come, more to come. Money Train, Miss Theresa. Thanks a lot. Presenting to some, announcing to others, the effervescence of size sexy. The naughty of the naughty. The sexy of comedy, standing right here on stage in front of Miss Theresa and Money Train TV, Felicia. Let's give it up, y'all. Put your hands together. Let's give our thunder round of applause.
All right, I'm from Jersey City. What's up, my Jersey girl? I appreciate Money Train TV giving me an opportunity to come up here to rep again. Because this is where I started from, Jordan's. So I want to give Jordan's a hand of applause. We make a lot of doing something in the neighborhood. When you go to the neighborhood come back and rep you. A sister talking shit. Where my big girls at tonight? Those my motherfucking bitches. Those my bitches, I'm just saying. Big girls up, they step. Erica, back up. It's about me, Erica. Don't stand all the way there. All right, okay. Now back to where the big girls at. That's what I'm talking about, my big girls. It's a good thing to be a big girl. Because you ain't never got to be motherfucking shy. You can eat what the fuck you like. You can do what the fuck you want. There we go. That sounds so much fucking peaceful. Sound like I was giving a blowjob on this stage. You feel me? Anyway, back to where the big girls at. We ain't got to be motherfucking shy in 2011. We do not. Because every man wants a big girl. You know why he wants a big girl? Because she keep him warm in the winter and she his motherfucking shade in the summer. Y'all feel what I'm saying? It's all good, it's all good. But it ain't what you do, it's how you do it and when you do it and who you doing it with. How many motherfuckers out here creeping tonight? Nobody wants to tell it, right? Nobody wants to. But I'm with you. I'm y'all friend to the fucking end. I'm not going to say a damn thing. But I do want to do my show. And I want my fucking cheerleaders just to cool out for a minute. I love y'all bitches. Y'all my bitches. But just chill for a minute. Let the motherfuckers hear what I got to say. Am I right or wrong? All right. That's for the fucking team. All right. I'm going to let y'all know that everyone in this motherfucking town need to beat their fucking kids. Ain't no discipline in this motherfucking town. These kids don't respect us. They don't accept us. And they gotta fucking tell us. And that's that bullshit. Because my son, true story, I'm ready to kill this 17-year-old nigga here. I'm ready to tell Diapers, knock on this motherfucking door and take him. Take him. Bye. What the fuck you waiting for, nigga? Wait. Cause I brought all motherfucking Nike speakers and leather jackets. I want nigga get the fuck out. Cause these kids are fucking off their easy. That's just why the crime level is where it's at. And then they laid off all these motherfucking police. But I'm kind of with a little bit because you know for the weed smokers. Who smoke weed? I don't know what motherfucker to say. That bitch ain't funny. Ain't nothing wrong with smoking weed. Weed is good for you. It's like collard greens and neck bones, nigga. Just that I fucking roll mine up. I don't put mine in the parliamentary way. And I'm just saying, it's better than doing coke and dope. You rather a bitch with the munchies than a bitch or the fucking dick hard now. Feel what I'm saying? So I'm off the motherfucking weed. I love it. This song I wrote a couple years ago. How many of y'all like it when it's wet? It's a little explicit. Is that okay? It's not that explicit. Alright. How many of y'all like it when it's wet? This is slip and fall into the pussy. Alright. This is called Wet. I know you like it when it's wet, 'cause then it's easier for you to slide right in. I know you like it when there's masturbation in your face and my coochie's raining. I'm a real sexual bitch, no hesitation, just concentration on hitting the right spot. Girl, you're making me feel so hot. Ooh, stick your fingers in, now rub them on your lips. You taste my bitch. Ooh, turn me over now. I'm about to turn this out on you. I know you like it when it's wet, 'cause then it's easier for you to slide right in. I know you like it when it's wet, 'cause then it's easier for you to slide right in. I know you like it when there's pussy. It goes deeper than that. If you were standing in my shoes, you would understand. I've learned my lesson from the one who left me broken-hearted. There's nothing left for me to give. I'm emotionally disconnected, so smile with me and let's just have a good time. No worries, we'll be fine. Drink some wine because I'm trying. We're fighting, we're dying from what she did to me. She hurt me, ooh, hurt me. But for right now, let's not worry about that. You call and ask what's going on. It's been 4 days and I don't pick up the phone. What is it that you want from me? Haven't I showed you a good time? There's nothing left for me to give. I'm emotionally disconnected, so smile for me and tell me it's alright. Don't worry about me, I'll be fine. Drinking wine because I'm trying. We're fighting, we're dying from what she did to me. She hurt me, ooh, hurt me. But for right now, let's not worry about that.
Presenting this song, announcing to others, the only female barber in Jersey City, working along with 8 men in the shop, taking a stance and giving you creative styles that only 2011 could ever imagine. Lady J.
Okay, my name is Lady J. I work at New Flavor Barbershop on West Side of Communal Hall in Jersey City. The only female there. Sit in the first seat. If you ever want to get a hold of me, you can call me on my number, or you can BBM me or whatever, I don't care. I'll take Facebook, whatever, just call me and let me know, and then you can set up an appointment either way. My number, if you want to know what it is, you can always ask me after it's over, but right now it's 201-936-7398. Name again is Lady J. I guess that's pretty much it.
Okay, let's give a round of applause for the kid. Can the guys turn around, please, so we get the back of the head turn around. Pump up the music a little bit, DJ D Savage, as we get into the styles. Female barber, Jersey City, New Jersey. East West. That fancy. Let's go. Here we go. Come on. Anthony Eastwick, what's up? How you doing? You got anything coming up? This is world-renowned Anthony Eastwick, designer extraordinaire, showstopper, above all odds. Oh my God, I don't even know. We go back over 20 years. So you know what? Tell them a little bit about what you got going on for Money Train TV, Miss Theresa, Shakim, rest in peace, Rondu. Let them know what we got going on right here on Comcast.
Everybody, Happy New Year's, everyone. How y'all doing? I really didn't come here to speak. I came to get some chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffles, actually, I made my way. But I am the head stylist for Mary J. Blige. Y'all like what I've been doing for the last 2 years? Y'all like what I've been doing for Mary? Also, Trey Songz, I've been working for him. Miss Theresa, I owe you an outfit. Let's give Miss Theresa a round of applause. She's the best. Let's give her some love, y'all. I got a fashion show this Saturday. It's going to be at Amora Lounge in Elizabeth, Westfield, 624 Westfield Avenue in Elizabeth. And I have about 5 designers that I'll be showcasing their clothing, as well as my line. You can see my 2011 collection, Anthony Eastwick on Facebook. Try to see it before it's too late. I've been on Facebook for 4 months and I got close to 5,000 friends already. 4 months, almost 5,000 friends. So God is good. Somebody like what I'm doing, and God bless all y'all. Thank you.
All right, give me a beat for Anthony Eastwick. All right, everybody, you're here with Money Train TV and Miss Theresa, better known as Sparkle. Without further ado, presenting some announcing the others, r.e.g from the Brooklyn Down Bronx. Let's give it up, put your hands together, y'all.
Hello, how you doing? I want to say Happy New Year to everybody. I want to thank Money Train TV, Miss Theresa, for introducing me. I got my man Brand Bars. I represent Team Greenlight from the Bronx. I'm from the Bronx also. And also, Jersey's my second home. So Jersey City, we got love for all y'all too. You know what I'm saying? They got Spun Star Entertainment. They founded in New Jersey. So we here, baby. So you can just play that. Let the whole thing play through. Okay. Whoa. I got that shitty bang. If you wanna tango, popping out my mango, the color of that mango, checking out my mango, that's 24, here we go, 24, whoa, okay, we got that shitty bang. If you wanna tango, popping out my mango, the color of that mango, checking out my mango, that's 24, here we go, okay, let's bring you the lights, bring the curtains up, it's the theme song, and I know you never heard something brilliant since you heard him kill, it's the most murderous children is in the building. Whoa, the beat's knocking, homie, I know you're feeling it. So turn your monitors up, please get in the way. It's the return of the lyricist. Remember this, it's hip-hop, yeah, we hear the Brooklyn voice. A lot of so-called rappers ain't legitimate, and I'm sick of the gibberish that they delivering. So she delivering, any beat I'm presenting with it. For your benefit, I suggest you know who you dealing with. Yeah, and it's a man, it's bananas, but him to return like let the arrows out the slammer. Flashes from the camera, from all the fans in the stands, everywhere you been where I'm landing, I'm already home, but you already know. And anywhere I'm landing, I'm already no home, but you already know. Home, we seeing money over here, what you looking like? Little gold bottles over here, they be looking like little model girls over there, what you bitches want? I don't know what you doing, and yeah, I'm living like. We seeing money over here, what you looking like? We seeing bottles over here, they be looking like the model girls over there, what you looking like? I don't know what you doing, and yeah, I'm living like. Whoa, the boy GBS. Once again, I want to give a shout out to Money Train TV.
mind how long, really. Tell us a little bit, like a minute.
Okay.
For real. Catch your breath, let's do it.
All right, I've been rapping since I was 16. It started in the after-school program, the hip-hop program, and after school. So the only message I got is please don't take away these after-school programs because it helps people like us. They put us in the hip-hop club, they put us in the poetry slams, and this is what we're doing now. We're going to take it to the top. Already know.
Anything you want to say, you don't let the person on side, because I'm going to let you say something.
Man's right there. Man's right there. My name is my boy Balls. You know what I'm saying? We get this day, that's how we do it. You gotta get this money, you gotta run this team together. And all you think for everybody out there that's doing music, keep making them hits, man. You gotta keep making them hits.
All right, let's give it up. Boogie Down Bronx representing for real. Money Train TV. Come on, my baby.
Without further ado, presenting some announcing to others all the way from Newark, New Jersey via Jersey City, r.e.g with an original selection. Let's give it up. Give a thunderous round of applause. Y'all put your hands together.
Story when the shit fails. You see the world like Eli, so we real.
Now they give a rage that he does zero. It's 14, the white sand, the palm trees. Hit the waves, beach house, and gone weed. When the sea push you kill on the low key. Like Kobe at 3 years old me. Bring me as a sucker, come over the lake, have you talking to your mother, chasing with the boy heat. Oh, I scream and keep my peace, believe. Nothing falls in the street like street G. I'm over the go, I'm over the grind. Saddle with blow, it's over the time. Shuffling the gun, you think you can find me. You going for help, they hearing them signs. I'm hesitating, fighting with God, but still clashing. Every meeting I'm eating dog, you still fasting. I'm more thugs and dickheads, it's all acid. These niggas get fucked up, they bashing. When it's true to be a thug, there's no passion. Don't rock it like it's old fashioned. I'm black, white, son, but I'm still whipping. It's a prayers, but they still tripping. So I.
All right. So you got your own single coming out, your own thing going on. Green light, let them know what's going on with that. Let them know.
Yes. You know, we doing a big movement. This thing is going on. Green light is all about the green light. You see it, you keep going. You never stop. You never stop. You know what I'm saying? Green light is what it is. I'm loving it. You look at Marcus. I'm feeling good. Keep this going.
Much love and success. Yo, let's give it up for the Boogie Down Bronx show in the building.
Yeah, what's up? This your boy DJ D Savage, the hood's finest, and you rocking with Money Train TV. Let's get it.
Welcome to Money Train TV and Miss Theresa right here at Jordan's Lounge. That's 247 Newark Avenue, Jersey City, New Jersey. And we are here each and every first Tuesday of the month. So if you have talent or you have what it takes to have a showcase to show off on our stage, feel free to log on to www.ms.theresa.com or moneytraintv.com. Look forward to seeing everyone later. More to come. The show's going to be hot. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. It's going to be fabulous. Tonight, another Money Train and Miss Theresa event. What could we say?